Did you know a killer turned murder into a deadly game with police and was never caught? In December 1968, on a dark road near Vallejo, California, the Zodiac Killer claimed his first victims at Lake Herman Road. But this wasn't just murder. This was the beginning of a twisted chess match. 3 weeks later, he struck again, then did something no killer had done before. He sent letters to newspapers with secret codes, proving he was the real killer by sharing details only he could know. The letters were signed with a crosshair symbol and a chilling message: "I like killing people because it is so much fun." He called police stations, taunting officers while they scrambled to trace the calls. Then he mailed a bloody piece of shirt as proof of another victim. For years, the letters kept coming, each one more bold than the last. His final confirmed letter arrived in 1974, then silence. Despite 51 years of investigation and countless suspects, the Zodiac Killer was never identified. He won his own deadly game,